Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're doing great. Thank you for stopping by. On this channel I post tutorial videos on trending styles and all my videos are beginner friendly. In today's video we are going to be learning how to draft a sleeve from a bodice. So if this is what you'll be interested in watching, stay tuned because this video is going to be very useful. Trust me, you have a lot to learn. Now the first thing I will be doing now is to get my paper on fold, and I'm going to mark my border line as you can see in the video. The next thing I'm going to be doing now is to get my cap height, and this is a simple calculation I use to get my perfect cap height. Your bust measurement divided by 12 plus half-inch sewing allowance. For example, if your bust is 36 divided by 12 gives us 3 rather, plus half-inch sewing allowance, that's 3.5. If you like, you can approximate it to 4 inches. Then I'm going to mark my cap height of 3.5 inches. After getting that dot, I rule a straight line across it. The next thing I'm going to be doing after that is to get my bodice, my basic bodice, and measure the armhole length. That is what I'm going to be using for my round sleeve. Some people actually measure their round sleeve and divide into 2. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to get my bodice and I will measure my armhole length, and I'm going to place it on my sleeve and mark a vertical point across it. If you want to watch the video of how I arrive at this basic bodice, please check out my other videos on the channel. You'll see the video there and it is very explanatory. So I've marked the point there. I measured it, I got 8 inches, and that is the 8 inches that I'm going to be marking over there. So guys, if you've noticed, I have to crop the video so that you can see it in detail what I'm actually doing. So from that point, I'm just going to rule a slant line up. Can you see? I just have to rule a slant line up to meet that my border line. So I'm going to take my tape rule now. I will measure that slant line. Whatever I have there, I will divide it into 4. Divide it into 2 first. Put a dot there. Divide it into 2 again. Just make sure you have 4 in total. Divide it into 4 in total. That's going to be like your armhole curve or something that you're going to use to join your sleeve to the bodice. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. I'm dividing it into 4. I'm going to put my 4 dots there. Then after that, on the second dot, I'm going to come down by half an inch, and up there I'm also going to come up by half an inch. Can you see? Can you see what I've done? I put an asterisk at the up, went down. Just keep watching what I'm doing. Can you see what I just did now? This is how you're going to do it. Just keep watching, guys, you will get it. The next thing I'm just doing right now is to measure my full length, my full sleeve length. That is what I'm basically measuring. After measuring your sleeve length, you will measure your ankle, because this pattern will work for both long sleeve, short sleeve, and 3/4 sleeve. Just measure your ankle. That's what I'm doing right now. Then measure it, the measurement of your ankle. Then you just put it there. Rule a line across it and put your round measurement divided by 2. Put it there. The next thing is to what? After that is to measure my wrist. My round measurement of my wrist as well, I will divide it by 2 and mark it there, as you can see in the video. So that's what I'm basically doing now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to get my ruler and connect the 3 lines together, just as you can see, and draw a straight line across it to form our sleeve. to form our sleeve, just as I'm doing in the video. The next thing I'm doing right now, as you can see in the video, is to measure my allowance. One each allowance is what I added to the sleeve. So I just added it at the side, and I'm using my ruler to connect the lines together, just as you can see in the video. The next thing we are going to do right now is to trace it out, and that's basically all for this pattern, guys. But you know, in our armhole, when we are drafting our basic bodies, the front armhole and the back armhole, they are not always the same. To prevent any bulginess, we used to cut the front armhole inside with like half an inch. That's what we are also going to be doing to the sleeve. So after tracing out this sleeve, I opened it up and I just trimmed like half an inch. As you can see in the video, I trimmed like half an inch away from the curve. So guys, that's basically all for this video. Thank you so much. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much to all my unique subscribers, to all my returning viewers, to all my new viewers. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for watching my video. And also, please guys, and this is it, to inform you that every Saturday by 10 a.m. I'll be going live. This is all about the fashion business. Let's talk about fashion, how we can make more money as fashion designers, how we can have a mega fashion outlet, how we can grow. It is going to be a conversation, not only me talking in the live. You too will be talking through the comment section. We'll be interacting. Please, if you are interested, please comment below that you are interested. It is going to be a nice one. If you are watching this video, please make sure you subscribe so that you will be part of this great event. More details coming in my next video, so make sure you subscribe so that when I post my next video, you will not miss out anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.